Welcome guys to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to add timestamps. Welcome guys to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to add timestamps to a YouTube video. So as you can see in this video currently, there are no timestamps. There is no description, there is nothing, and as you can see, there's no timestamps here. Now all you have to do is go into the description here on your YouTube channel and simply type in 00 semicolons, then 00 again, and then just type in intro. Then you need to create at least 3 timestamps, right? And then each timestamp cannot be any smaller than 10 seconds. So I'm going to create a timestamp at 20 seconds and call it tech. Then a timestamp at 40 seconds and call it whatever. I can't think of a name. Then you're gonna click in save, and then when I refresh the page here, you can now see how there are timestamps in the description. All right, so now your followers can click on it, and you're going to and they're going to get to the chapters that are required. So that's how you create timestamps. It's really that simple. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next.